Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the next topic we are discussing is copyright symbol. So you might have seen in any websites, if we go, like your take for example of your own college website, you just type go to your college website and scroll down, and in the end, in the last part, you can see whoever has designed this particular website will have a copyright there. Either their company name will be there or their individual name will be there, and C, with C symbol it will be mentioned, and also year also it will be mentioned. That is called as what? Copyright symbol. So it is not necessary to place any copyright symbol actually, but if you have placed it, maybe your that copyright symbol, maybe your company or name or the year which this particular website was created. I am taking example of your college website now. So it is not mandatory, but if you do it, it will be helpful for you to fight or to sue or to nail someone who has actually copied your work. So that's why the copyright symbol, that's how the copyright symbol itself plays a significant role during the trials or during when we go for the lawsuit or these things. Next, the important things which may be mentioned as a copyright mark on the copyright creations, or many things are there. The first thing is symbol itself, the copyright element, that is symbol, the letter C in a circle or the word. Next, copyright or the abbreviation, okay, COPR, it stands for the copyright. Now in the case of compilations, if many compilations are there, then derivative works are there. So incorporating previously published materials which you have used previously published materials, then the year with the date of the first publication of the compilation or a derivative work should be mentioned. You have to mention. Imagine compilation means many works are there. In that, one work is actually already published work. So you have to mention that year, in on which year or the date that first publication was published. Okay. Now the year date may be omitted for the many things. For example, pictorial. If any pictorial is there, you don't have to write year and date. Okay. Next, graphics, sculpture work, greeting cards, postcards, stationery, jewelry, dolls and toys. Here on and all, you can omit that year, date, you can omit. Okay. Next, the name or the abbreviation. It can be your your company name or your own individual name, okay, by which the name can be recognized by the owner of the owner. Okay, it can be short form also if your company is very famous, or it can be the full name also. Just make sure that who is the owner, that recognition has to be done. Okay, if not for the common public, at least for the registrar office, they should know that if that name is mentioned, which it stands for, to whom it stands for, that has to be written. It should not be simply just fancy letters like 786 or maybe 313 or maybe ABC or XYZ kind of stuff. It should be something that should be recognizable of that particular owner of that copyright, or generally known as alternative designation of the owner, that can be mentioned. Next, the elements of the sound recordings generally requires the same three elements what we discussed so far, but there will be, for sound recordings, there will be an extra symbol that is called as P, the letter P in the circle instead. Okay, so that's it. Next topic is validity of the copyright, that we will discuss in the next class.